It's been a while and you've forgotten the one who once loved you deeply, the one you grew tired of eventually. It's been so long, maybe you've moved on, forgotten all the places we've been, the promises we once made, my sweet, gentle love. Now you're with someone else, is life brighter now? When you're upset, does she calm your heart? When you're hungry, does she bring you food? If one day the world turns its back on you and you come searching for the one you left behind, no matter how much it hurts, I won't mind, because I've always loved